Listen up, you pal. Tired of the same old Let's get this show on the road. Right, you want to impress me with this fish deli meat, yeah? Well, let me tell you, it all starts with the right choice of fish. You can't just pick any old fish and expect it to turn into a masterpiece. No. You need to be selective, meticulous, and downright picky. Then the first step is choosing the right fish. This is where it all begins. The foundation of your dish. The cornerstone of your culinary creation. We're looking for something firm, meaty, something that can stand up to the smoking process. You want a fish that can hold its own, that won't fall apart at the first sign of heat. Salmon is a bloody brilliant choice, nice and fatty, full of flavor. It's got that rich, buttery texture that just melts in your mouth. Perfect for smoking, perfect for deli meat. But don't think you're limited to just salmon, you hear me? There's a whole ocean of possibilities out there. Tuna? Now there's a fish with attitude. It's got that bold, robust flavor that can stand up to any seasoning you throw at it. Whitefish, a blank canvas for your culinary genius. It's mild, it's versatile, and it can take on any flavor profile you want to create. And for those of you feeling adventurous, even shrimp can be transformed into a deli-style meat. Yes, shrimp. It's delicate, it's sweet, and it can be an absolute showstopper if done right. Shrimp. Who would have thought it? But trust me, it can be done, and it can be spectacular. But listen, this isn't some amateur cooking competition. Quality matters. You can't skimp on this step. Fresh, sustainably sourced fish is the only way to go. Not only is it better for the environment, but it's also better for your dish. Don't even think about bringing that frozen rubbish into my kitchen. Frozen fish? That's a one-way ticket to disaster. We want the best, the freshest, the most flavorful fish we can get our hands on. This is non-negotiable, because the quality of your ingredients, it shines through in the final product. You can't hide behind poor quality fish. So head to your local fishmonger, look them in the eye, and demand the best. Build a relationship with them. They are your allies in this culinary journey. Tell them Ramsay sent you. They'll know what it means. They'll know you're serious about your fish. Now once you've got your fish, give it a good inspection. This is your last line of defense against mediocrity. Is it firm to the touch? Are the eyes bright? These are the signs of freshness. Does it smell of the ocean? Fresh and clean? If it smells off, it's off. Simple as that. If the answer is yes, then you're in business. You've got the foundation for a great dish. If not, send it back. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. We don't accept mediocrity in this kitchen. Excellence is the standard. Remember, this is the foundation of your fish deli meat. Get this right and everything else will fall into place. Get it right and you're well on your way to culinary greatness. Your dish will sing, it will shine, it will impress. Mess it up and you might as well pack your knives and go home. Because in this kitchen, we strive for nothing less than perfection. Now that you've got your fish sorted, it's time to inject some bloody flavor. This isn't some bland, tasteless chicken breast, you know. We're elevating this fish to deli meat heaven. And how do we do that? With a marinade, you friend. But not just any marinade, this needs to be a flavor explosion in your mouth. Salt, sugar, honey, these are your basic building blocks, but don't even think about stopping there. Garlic, onion powder, herbs, get creative. This is your chance to show off your culinary prowess. A touch of smoked paprika for warmth, a hint of citrus for freshness, maybe even a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of a kick. Remember, the marinade isn't just about flavor, it's about tenderizing the fish too. The salt helps to break down the proteins, resulting in a more succulent and delicious final product. Now once you've got your marinade sorted, it's time to introduce it to the fish. Massage it in, make sure every nook and cranny is coated. This isn't a time to be shy, get your hands dirty, then cover it up and let it work its magic in the fridge. A few hours at least, overnight is even better. The longer you leave it, the more flavor the fish will absorb. And don't even think about rushing this step. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to creating culinary masterpieces. So sit back, grab yourself a glass of wine, and let the marinade do its thing.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you want
And the right technique. Chapter 4. Slicing and Serving. The moment of truth. Right, the moment of truth has arrived. This is the culmination of all your efforts, the grand finale where you get to see the fruits of your labor. You've marinated, you've smoked, you've waited patiently, each step meticulously followed, each minute carefully counted. Now it's time to see if all your hard work has paid off. The anticipation is palpable, isn't it? Carefully remove your fish from the oven or smoker. This is a delicate moment, so handle it with care. Remember, it's going to be hot. Use oven mitts to protect your hands from the heat. Let it rest for a few minutes before you even think about slicing into it. This resting period is crucial. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more flavorful and succulent deli meat. Now, for the slicing. This is where precision meets patience. You want to use a long, sharp knife for this. The right tool makes all the difference. A serrated knife can work too, but a sharp chef's knife will give you the best results. It's all about getting those clean, even slices. And for God's sake, make sure it's bloody sharp. A dull knife is not only ineffective but also dangerous. We don't want any accidents in the kitchen. Safety first, always. Hold the fish firmly with one hand and using a gentle sawing motion, slice the fish as thinly as you can. This technique ensures you get the perfect texture. The thinner the slices, the better the texture of your deli meat will be. Thin slices mean more surface area for flavor, and there you have it, the moment you've been waiting for. Your very own homemade fish deli meat. It's a masterpiece of your own making. Look at it, glistening, smoky, and full of flavor. It's a sight to behold. You should be proud of yourself. This is no small feat. Now how you choose to serve it is up to you. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination. Pile it high on a bagel with cream cheese and capers. This classic combination never fails. Layer it on some crusty bread with avocado and tomato. A delightful twist that adds freshness and texture. Or simply enjoy it on its own with a crisp salad. The simplicity of this option lets the fish shine. Just remember to savor every single bite. You've earned it. Each bite is a reward for your dedication. And don't forget to tell everyone that Gordon Ramsay taught you everything you know. A little humor goes a long way in the kitchen. Well done, you lot. You've officially graduated from Ramsay's Fish Deli Academy. Now go forth and impress your friends and family with your newfound culinary skills. Remember, cooking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about experimenting, being adventurous, and most importantly, having fun. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time.